Hi everyone! Today I chose to talk about two websites dealing with selling homemade items online. The two websites I chose are Etsy and Mama Cheesy's. Most of you have probably heard of Etsy. Etsy's not just a place to sell handmade items, but it does have that option. So to start, I'm going to talk about Mama Cheesy's. Mama Cheesy's has an interesting homepage. It looks like it could be a potentially good website, but as you scroll down, it's very short and doesn't showcase anything to captivate the viewers. It's very bland. If we move over to the heading tabs, up here at the top, you have the option to click on clothing. And when you do, it pops up with these items. And as you can see, the title up at the top is labeled headgear, and this clearly is not what we are looking at. You see that there's a shirt, a dress, a pair of pants, a hat, and another shirt. So clearly this page is mislabeled, but also if you hover over the tab and let's say we want to click on tops, they offer shirts, tanks. For bottoms, they offer shorts, skirts, pants, and in dresses, they also offer those. But if you go and click on any one of these subcategories, it shows up with this one top here. And then if you click on, let's say, bottoms, and you click on shorts, nothing. There's nothing here. They don't put anything on the page. It's just blank. So what I found out was these 5 clothing items that they showcase right here are the only ones on their entire website that they offer. So I thought that was very interesting that anytime you go and click on any of the tabs that they don't offer clothing for, it's just blank. Like, why even make a page for it? I thought that was very unusual, and you can see here they also offer accessories. But again, it just comes back up to this web page. And even if you hover over and you choose any of the subcategories, just like the clothing, nothing. It's just an empty, meaningless page. You click on the customer care button, it brings you to this page, and it seems like they would take care of you, but honestly, this website does not look reliable at all. And you click on the cart page, and it's blank. Everything on this website is blank. Not to mention the brown color scheme that they have going on here. It's very unappealing, and I definitely would not shop on this website. The other thing that I wanted to mention about this website was the pricing for the clothing. If you look just at this shirt, this looks like something like a child has made, and they're selling it for $19. If you look at some of their other clothing that's on their website, look at these pants. They just don't look like something that would ever hold up, and they're selling them for $50. Same with this dress. Like, it doesn't look of $55 worth of clothing. I just thought that was very interesting, as these clothing items, they are very homemade, but they don't look well enough made to warrant the price that they're being sold for. So overall, I feel like I definitely would not trust this site, and I definitely would not recommend anybody using it. It seems very unreliable, and I definitely would not ever use this in my life. Now, I'm going to move over to my website that I think would be a website that would be deemed good. Everybody has probably heard of Etsy. This is their home page when you open up their website. Obviously, it's very inviting. It has this nice bright yellow color. I personally think it's very inviting, and it makes me want to stay on their webpage and look around a little bit. Unlike Mama Cheesy's, you actually can click on stuff on the home page, and it'll take you to places that actually have items on their page. And when you scroll down, it shows you so much. It's not just scrolling down to a blank site. It offers so much here that you can click on, and it's very reliable, it seems, just from looking at the home page. I would say it's much more detailed, and it's much more outgoing than the other website that I was talking about. And also, when you click on the tabs at the top, look how much information pops up. And it has pictures, and it just showcases so much. So we're just going to click on jewelry and accessories, and it's going to bring you to the webpage, and look at all this stuff. it's not just 5 items, it's like 500 items and it just keeps going. And that's just for jewelry. I think that the fact that this website provides you so much items, that's like a bonus. I'm sure a lot of people have used Etsy in the past, or they currently are. I think it's a great website. I personally have never used it, but it's definitely a website that I've heard very great reviews about. And everything that's on their website, I think, is very reasonably priced. And it's not something that's very poor quality. Like everything just looking right here looks really fantastic, and the quality is excellent, and the prices are very realistic. So overall, I would say that this website is extremely reliable, and it is definitely something that I would recommend to other people. I think that it's very user-friendly and it's very interactive, and all of the links that you click on go to the right places. It's very colorful and it's very bright, and I think it offers a great shopping experience. So it's definitely something that's super reliable and that I would offer to other people. Thanks for listening, guys. I hope you have a great time.